Hey guys, it's me, Miss Rogers, and we're going to talk about angle of elevation, which is this one right here, and angle of depression, which is not being sad, it's how you look at a picture. So, or look at an object. So, when we talk about angle of elevation, yeah, there are word problems. We'll overlook that for a minute. When looking at an object, the angle of elevation is formed by an observer's line of sight and a angle of elevation. So let's look at number one. And it's very important that you draw a picture. Drawing a picture is very important. So let's look at number one. A dog is standing 5 feet from the base of a tree, trying to catch a cat that is 16 feet up the tree. So we've got a dog. Not being able to draw very well. There's my dog. And draw a tree. And the cat's up the tree, 16 feet. So I'm going to label going up 16 feet. And the dog is 5 feet away. 5 feet, 16. Angle of elevation would be right here. We're not going to be able to find that yet. We don't know how to do that yet. But that's how you would draw a picture. Mine's not so pretty, but yours will be. Number two. This one we can do a little bit more with. The angle of elevation from a soccer ball to the ground to the top of the goal is 34 degrees. So we have a soccer ball. Where's my soccer ball? From the ground to the top of the goal. So here's my goal. It's 34 degrees. So there's my angle of elevation. It's supposed to make an angle here. There we go. 34 degrees. If the goal is 8 feet tall, so here's 8 feet, what is the distance from the ball to the goal? So we want to know X. Can we figure that out? Sure. All we have to do is figure out what it is. It looks like opposite over adjacent, which is tan tangent 34 equal to 8 over x. And we know that if we have an x on bottom, we're going to divide 8 by tangent 34. So 8 divided by tangent 34. And I'm going to jump over here to my calculator. Let's see if I can find it. There it is, calculator. And I'm going to turn it from standard to scientific. And 8 divided by tangent. Nope, I did that wrong. You have to figure out what the calculators are working in. So clear. 8 divided by, let's see, clear again. And let's do 34. 34 tangent. And put that in memory. Do 8 divided by memory recall. And I get 11.86, which would be 11.7. No, 11.9. 86 would round to 11.9. So that one wasn't so hard. Angle of depression is a little bit harder because you have to remember about parallel lines. Oh, we thought we were done with those? No. See, if you have parallel lines, the angle of depression is actually up here where the bird or dragon is looking at, and it's looking down. So we have to draw the angle of elevation. It's related to the angle of elevation because it's a parallel line. The pink and the dotted line are parallel. So we can take the angle of depression and put it down here because of alternate interior angles, alternate interior angles. So let's look at number 3. The angle of depression from an eagle sitting on top of a flagpole to the base of a tree is 63 degrees. No, yeah. If the flagpole is 18 feet tall, then what is the distance between the pole and the tree? Okay, so let's draw a picture. So we have a flagpole. There's my flagpole. And we have a tree. Okay. The angle of depression from an eagle sitting on top of the flagpole to the base of the tree is 63. So here's the line of sight, and the angle of depression goes right here. And it's 63 degrees. We could do a triangle like that, couldn't we? Sure. If the flagpole is 18 feet, but we don't know the height of the tree, we want to know this triangle. By alternate interior angles, this angle is 63 degrees. And we know this is a right angle. So now I can figure out X right here. And the flagpole is 18. So I can do opposite over adjacent, tangent of 63 equal to 18 over X. Sorry, my handwriting's terrible. And they didn't leave a lot of room. So I would put that in the calculator. I would do tangent of 63 first. So I'm going to clear my memory. Tangent of 63, so 63 tangent. And then 18 divided by 63. That's how it works. Tangent equals 9.17, so 9.2. 9.2 feet between the tree and the flagpole. A shark is swimming 28 feet below sea level. If the angle of depression from the boat to water and the shark is 19 degrees, what is the horizontal distance between the boat and the shark? So here's our boat. Here's our shark. Okay, sharky. Little shark. And not too big. Okay, so the angle of, here's the line of sight. And the shark at the angle of depression is 19 degrees. So we want this and this. So this angle is 19 degrees. We want this side over here. No, we don't. My bad. I read it wrong. We want this side. We know it's 28 feet below sea level. And once again, we'll use tangent of 19 equal 28 over x. So, clear? 28 divided by 19 trig tangent equals 81.3. So he's 81.3 feet away from the shark. So I hope that helps. All it is figuring out the angle of depression, is figuring out remembering the alternate interior. Hope you have a great day.